Welcome back, little ones. Today we're going to learn some more Afrikaans. Ons gaan leer van segmentering van sinne. So we are going to clap on each word that we hear in each sentence. Segmentering beteken ons gaan klap op elke woordjie wat ons hoor in elke sin. So listen carefully and do what I do. Klap saam en herhaal die sin. Kyk na my oë. Nou kan jy die sin sê en klap op elke woord. Dit is 'n neut. Now let us see if you can segment this sentence. Hier is die bal. Maats, probeer julle nou. Ek sien 'n neus. Now you can try. Dit is my ouma. Klap jy nou? Ek sien 'n meisie. Right, now it's your turn. Hier is 'n 6. Goed, probeer jy nou. Ek hou van speel. Probeer jy nou. Well done, little ones. You are doing a great job. Let's see if we can do a few more. Hier is my skool. You are doing a great job. Now you try. Ek sien die huis. Dis nou jou beurt om te probeer. Well done, everybody. You did a great job. Baie mooi, maats. Julle het sommer baie goed gedoen. Thank you, everybody, for working so well with me today. Baie dankie, maats, dat julle so mooi geluister het en mooi geleer het vandag. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel so that we can learn more next time. Thank you, everybody. Listen to Mommy and Daddy and your teacher. Be safe and take care. Bye.